Hello and welcome back to Get Great at Maths. I'm here to help you pass your maths exam, so hit that like and subscribe button. We're going to look at keywords, key formulas and how to gain top marks. So let's get ready to get great at maths. This is a ratio question and we're going to be looking at some keywords within this question. Now the keywords are jellies, mints and toffees. Now you need to make sure that you're reading the question really carefully so you know what the key facts are of this question. Now the ratio of jellies to mints is n to 2. The ratio of mints to toffees is 5 to 3n, and you've got to work out the ratio of jellies to toffees. And you've got to give your answer in its simplest form, and this is worth 4 marks. Now to be able to do this, we need to know the key facts. And the key facts are that we've got to take the ratio parts, and in this case here, it is the jellies, mints and toffees, and we've got to line these up with the given ratio. And then we've got to find the common ratio, so which bits are common, and then we've got to find the relevant ratio that you need. Then you're going to cancel your answer. So press pause, have a go at answering this question and give me a thumbs up and a smiley face when you've got an answer. Well done guys, let's see how you did. So we're going to look at the jellies, the mints and the toffees. These are my ratio. Now my jellies initially was n. So if you look up here in the question, we're told the jellies are n. The mints we're told are 2. So we write n to 2 for this first ratio point here, so this first key bit of information. The next bit we're told we've got mints to toffees. So the mints are 5 and the toffees are 3n. So we're going to write 5 under the mints column and 3n under the toffees column. Now we've got to make these all comparable because we're going to be comparing jellies to toffees. And the jellies are the pink bit and the toffees are the yellow bit. And we've got to compare these like for like. And at the minute, they're not comparable. So we've got to make this bit in the middle comparable so we can compare what is jellies to toffees. So we're going to look at what we can multiply these numbers by to make them common. So basically all we've got to do is multiply the 2 by the 5 to give me the common term, which is 10. Now, if I'm going from the top here, which is the n, and I'm going down to 10, so in this case here I was looking at the 2 going to 10, to get from 2 to 10 I had to multiply by 5. So I've got to do exactly the same to the n. So if I multiply n by 5, I get 5n here. On the other side, I'm going to take the 5 and I'm going to go to the 10. So I'm going from here, the 5 to the 10. I have to multiply by 2. So I've got to do the same to the toffees. So I'm going to multiply by 3n by 2, which will give me 6n. It will give you 2 marks for getting to this stage. So to compare them, to get the 10 in the middle and then multiplying by 5 and multiplying by 2. So they're all consistent. That will give you 2 marks at this stage here. Now the question wants to know the ratio between the jellies and the toffees. So all I need are the jellies part and the toffees. So I'm going to take the jellies and the toffees, which is 5n to 6n. That will give you 1 mark for comparing jellies to toffees. Then I need to look at this ratio and I need to write it in its simplest form. So I've got to cancel this. So all I need to do is divide both sides by n, which will give me 5 and 6 for my last and 4th mark. Remember to write your answer on the dotted line in the answer box on the right hand side. Okay, well done guys. Hopefully you've got this correct. Well done. Now the mark scheme on this question shows there are 4 marks available for this question. But after the 5 to 6, it says NFWW, which means not for wrong working. So you must have the correct working in order to get the full 4 marks. The B3 means there are 3 method marks. M1 means 1 method mark. And A1 is an answer mark for getting anything of the form 5kn to 10k to 6kn or anything like that. So please make sure you show your working out and it has to be the correct working to get full marks. Thanks for listening. If you've got a video that you would like to see me do, please comment below to see more videos. If you've enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Comment below to let me know what you would like to see in my next video. See you next time.